I've taken a lot of partials on this trade, and let me take more right now. Let me take more, guys. Now partials have been taken, and more partials have been taken, and I can now rest on this trade a little. Yeah, not really rest like that. The most important thing is I've taken the full profit I needed from this trade. Yeah, and I'm not scared of any reversal. So once it's about to reverse, I close all the sell and I start to buy. Just the normal principles. And how many pips have we gained so far from this trade? If you check it from up right there, if we check it from up down to the lowest low of the movement, and we are seeing 245 pips. 245 pips. How did I arrive here? All you have to do is just stay tuned to this video right now, because I'm going to give you the pre-recorded analysis that I made on this trade. I'm going to give you the full analysis of this trade, and everything is going to everything is going to help you to grow yourself, and also to develop the same mindset that I have, the same mentality, the same ideology, the same approach I give to my trade before I catch nothing less than 100 pips. And if you're joining us for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Know that on this trade and on this channel, I don't catch anything less than 100 pips. Yeah, that's the tradition on this platform. We don't trade anything less than 100 pips. If you want to trade like that, if you want to scale high so that you'll be able to achieve more, just stay tuned to this channel, and you will know more about what we offer. You know more about what we do on this channel. Let me take you into the real deal, guys. Let me take you into the real deal. Just make sure you hold your pen and your jotter, so that you'll be able to learn from everything I'm about to teach you right now. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Let's go into the real business, guys. How many pips are we right now? Let's check from up to down. As you all know, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips on this platform. And what are we seeing right now? This is 139 pips. 139 pips, guys. 139 pips. Yeah, this is how to be a profitable trader. Aim high, trade high. When I say trade high, I don't say you overtrade. If you overtrade, you will blow your accounts, and it's a story case. So when I say trade high, I mean delivery. Look for trader to give you good delivery, high pips, not 20 pips, not 30 pips, not 10 pips, not even 50 pips. Look for trades that will give you 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. Now this is 139 pips. 139 pips. Who does that? I know of a guy, Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, if you are joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. And we can see this trade on AUD USD, and these are the kind of trades that will help you to grow a small trading account. You will grow your small trading account very fast. I mean, very fast, because you are able to catch big pips. Yes, see, this is how my students catch pips. None of my students will post on the group and will tell me 50 pips, and it's running. No. If you are going to say anything wrong, you are going to say anything like something like 100 pips and it's running, because that is how to trade. Anyway, let's analyze this trade. How did I get here? All right, so we can see there is something that we cover around this area, this particular zone. There is a name we call it on my premium mentorship. There is a name we call this zone. Yes. Anyway, I don't want to talk much about the premium mentorship, because it's not everybody that needs premium mentorship. Yeah, the most important thing is make use of the strategy, make use of the analysis that is delivered on this platform. If you want to scale high, then you can think about joining my premium mentorship. Yeah, so that you also can be able to trade high. You can also catch high pips. So this particular zone, we can see here. Look at this level. You always cite liquidity level. Yes, there will always be liquidity level to cite, to look upon. And if you come to 4 hours, you will see liquidity level here. So price came all the way to clear this liquidity level. I told us something that is not about you seeing or spotting a liquidity level that is meant to be cleared. You can spot a liquidity level that's just been cleared, like you can see it, you are able to cite it. That is number one thing. The second thing is, when should you enter your trade? How should you enter your trade? What are the things or other conferences, other things to consider before you enter your trade? That is where the mentorship program comes in. But if you have a strategy that is already working for you, just make sure you learn these liquidity levels that I used to talk about. Then you can use your own strategy to time yourself. Just know that the first thing you want to check for is where liquidity is lying in trade in the market. So once you are able to spot that, then you will use your own strategy. I don't know the strategy you use. Maybe you use indicator. Well, nothing is bad. You can use indicator. Maybe you use plain chart analysis. I've seen a strategy that they call it what is called house. when when the trade forms a kind of house, then you know that it is time to buy. If that is the one you are using, well, it's not. Maybe your own is car strategy. When the market is forming something like a car, nonsense. But all the same, it's still a strategy as long as it's delivering for the person. Well, I'm less concerned. The most important thing is if you want your strategy to be more effective. This trade is still dropping, guys. So if you want your strategy to be more effective, to be very effective, just make sure you learn how to spot liquidity levels. Make sure the liquidities are being cleared, and make sure you analyze your trade from higher time frame, daily, 4 hours, weekly, monthly. That is the recommended time frame I'm going to give to you. Then you can now make your entries on lower time frame based on your strategy. I tell you, any strategy works if you know how to scale high. And when you analyze your trade on higher time frame, you will always get good delivery. That is why we used to say we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. It's not because of anything big or no, it's because we know when to enter, we know where to enter, and also we analyze our trade from higher time frame. Yeah, and we don't trade with fear. So this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. And you know, very soon we are going to be looking for a buy market. Yeah, but for now there's nothing is telling us to buy. I mean, nothing is telling us to buy. So until we see something that will tell us to take a buy in this trade, we are still going to remain a seller in the market. So this is what we do, guys. Let's see what the delivery of this trade will give to us. Yeah, maybe in another video I will give us an update, but for now I'm going to be drawing the curtain here. If you are joining us for the first time, once again, you are welcome. My name is Michael, the self-led strategic trader. Do well to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. 100 pips is the minimum. We scale higher and higher and higher. Gotcha.